Do you often mix up he, him, and his? You are not alone. These little words confuse millions of English learners, but in the next few minutes, you'll never confuse them again. Welcome back to the channel. In today's grammar lesson, we'll break down the difference between he, him, and his with simple rules, examples, and a quiz at the end. Let's go. Meet the pronouns. Let's start by understanding what kind of words these are. We use he, him, and his to refer to a male person, but they play very different roles in a sentence depending on their function. Number one, he, subject pronoun. He is the subject of the sentence. That means he is the one who does the action, like he runs fast. He is doing the running. He plays football. He is a doctor. Number two, him. Him is the object. It comes after the verb and it's the one receiving the action. For example, she hugged him. He is receiving the hug. I saw him at the market. She called him. Number three, his. Possessive adjective or possessive pronoun. His is used to show ownership. It tells us that something belongs to him. For example, this is his car. The car belongs to him. That is his book. Possessive adjective. The book is his. Possessive pronoun. So, in short, he does something. Him receives something. His owns something. Usage with examples. This section is all about helping you how to use he, him, and his in real sentences with practical examples. Number one, he, subject pronoun. He is used when a male person is doing the action in the sentence. For example, he is my friend. He loves football. He is the subject of the sentence. That means he is the one doing the action. Use he when you are talking about someone who starts or performs the action. For example, he loves football. He is the one who loves it. Number two, him, object pronoun. Him is used when a male person is receiving the action. Him comes after the verb and it's used when the boy or man is receiving the action. For example, she gave him a gift. She is giving and he is receiving. I saw him at the park. Number three, his. His is used to show ownership or possession. Something belongs to him. His is used when we want to show that something belongs to a male person. For example, his phone is on the table. The phone belongs to him. That is his bike. It's a bonus example for you. He has a car. It is his car. Let's break it down. He, the one who owns the car, subject, has the verb, a car, the object. Then we say it is his car, showing ownership. So remember, he does the action, him receives the action, his owns the thing. Here are some common mistakes English learners make and how to fix them. Listen carefully and repeat the correct version out loud to build your accuracy. Number 1. Me and he went to the mall. In this sentence, we are talking about the subject, the people doing the action of going. So we need subject pronoun, not me and he, but he and I. Always put the other person first. So, he and I went to the mall. Rule: use I instead of me when you are the subject. He is correct, but the phrase me and he puts one subject and one object together. That is grammatically incorrect. Number two, the book is he. He is the subject pronoun, but this sentence needs a possessive pronoun to show who owns the book. The correct word is his, not he. That book is his. Rule reminder: use his to show possession, especially after is. He never comes after a linking verb like is to show ownership. Number three, I saw he yesterday. In this sentence, he is receiving the action. Someone saw him. That means we need the object pronoun, which is him. I saw him yesterday. Rule reminder: after a verb like saw, use him, not he. Little words like he, him, and his can make a big difference. So double check your sentence. Is he doing the action, receiving it, or owning something? Let's practice. Fill in the blanks with he, him, or his. I'll give you a sentence. You guess the correct word. Pause the video if you need more time and comment your answers below. Number 1. Dash is very smart. The correct answer is he, because we are talking about someone doing or being something. He is the subject. He is very smart. Question number 2. I met Dash at the party. And the correct answer is him. He is receiving the action of being met. I met him at the party. Question number 3. Dash laptop is brand new. The correct answer is his laptop is brand new. His shows ownership of the laptop. Question number 4. She invited Dash to dinner. And the correct answer is him. She invited him to dinner. Again, he is receiving the invitation. So, we use the object form. She invited him to dinner. Question number 5. Dash plays the guitar really well. And the correct answer is he. He is doing the action of playing. So, we need a subject pronoun. He plays the guitar really well. How many did you get right? Comment your score below and let's see who got 5 out of 5. Now you will never confuse he, him, and his again. Like this video if it helped you. Comment your quiz score and subscribe for more clear grammar tips every day. See you next time. Thanks for watching.